Good morning, everybody. If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will continue to post our inventory on a daily basis. Right now, this is an update video on our 2020 BMW X5 that we just completely repaired. A couple days ago, we posted a video of it when we had it all taken apart and we were repairing it and going through the vehicle to make sure everything was correct. Well, this is the finished product. Our technicians here are highly skilled. They know exactly what they're doing. They go through the entire vehicle with a fine-tooth comb. This vehicle was a freshwater flood damage vehicle. As you can see, there's no corrosion, no rust. The engine compartment is like new. I'm very happy with the outcome of this vehicle. It looks great. Let's do a quick walk around. We do offer financing on the vehicles that we repair. This will be sold with a rebuilt title. We're waiting on an inspection date. It's going to go through New Jersey salvage inspection. This vehicle's in like new condition. We brought it back to its original state. We spend a lot of time when we work on these flood vehicles just to make sure they're right. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, everything works. The lights come on. There is no odor, there's no smell at all. Vehicle's completely dry. Take a look at the seat tracks. No corrosion. Everything works. This car is really nice inside. Body's super clean. Feel free to contact us if you're interested. Thanks for watching.